Hello children, good morning. How are you all? Hope you are good and safe at home. In today's class, we are going to start a new lesson, that is theme for a dream. Children, you all must be having a dream. You must have a vision to make your dream come true. Let's start the lesson. Children, we are going to start the lesson theme for a dream. Before that, we'll do warm up. Match the pictures to the sports competitions associated with them. So children, you all know there are many games. We have some symbols for each game. You have to match with the game with the correct symbol. So first one is Paralympics. The symbol for this is this. You have to match this. Next one is Olympic Games. This is the symbol for Olympic Games. Asian Games. This is the symbol. Match it with this. Next one is Commonwealth Games. This is the symbol for Commonwealth Games. Match this one for this. Now, the phone rang in a house in Salem. Mariyappan Tangavelu's mother spoke to the person at the other end. Yes, this is Mariyappan's home. Thank you for your blessings. Please pray for him. Bye. So children, where did the phone ring? In Salem. Whose mother spoke to the person? It was Mariyappan Tangavelu's mother. She spoke to the person at the other end and she said, thank you for the blessings. And she says, please pray for him. Next, Mariyappan Tangavelu was participating in the 2016 Summer Paralympic Games being held in Rio de Janeiro. It was no ordinary achievement. So, Mariyappan Tangavelu was participating in what? Summer Paralympic Games. In which year, children? 2016. Where it would be held? At Rio de Janeiro. It was not an ordinary achievement, children. It was a great achievement. Paralympic Games have a great achievements. At the age of 5, Tangavelu suffered permanent disability in his right leg. He was walking to school when he came under a bus which crushed his leg below the knee. When it healed, it was not much of a leg. Despite this difficulty, he enjoyed playing volleyball in school. Seeing his talent, his teacher encouraged him to try the high jump. He received his first sports award at the age of 14 in 2009. From then on, Tangavelu started training hard for the Paralympics. So children, at what age he suffered permanent disability? At the age of 5. Which body part was affected? His right leg was affected. So how did it happen? He was walking to a school when he came under a bus which crushed his leg. It crushed it below the knee. So his leg was completely crushed below the knee. So when it healed also, it was not much of a leg. So being so much in difficulty also, he enjoyed playing which game? Volleyball. So his teacher saw his talent and he encouraged him to try the high jump. So he received his first sports award at the age of 14. In which year? 2009. So there was no looking back after that, children, and he trained hard for Paralympics. So what are the Paralympics and how did they begin? So now we'll get to know what are Paralympics and how did it begin. Sir Ludwig Guttmann was a neurologist at the Stoke Mandeville Hospital in Buckinghamshire, England. In 1948, he organized an archery contest for World War II soldiers. Some of these soldiers had lost the use of their limbs because of spinal injuries. Others had their limbs cut off. Sir Gutman believed that the injured soldiers could heal faster and lead normal lives through sports, and the contest was the result of this belief. So, children, who was the neurologist? Sir Ludwig Guttmann. He is a neurologist. Who is a neurologist? One who treats your brain is called as neurologist. Where was he neurologist? In which hospital? Stoke Mandeville. Where was the hospital, children? It was in Buckinghamshire, England. So, in which year he organized archery contest? In 1948. For whom did he organize? For World War II soldiers. So, some of these soldiers, they had lost their limbs because of spinal injuries. Others also had limb cut off. So, but Sir Gutman believed that the injured soldiers could heal faster and lead normal lives through sports, and the contest was the result of this belief. So, some disabilities make your life irregular, right? So, but Ludwig Guttmann believed that the sports will help them heal faster. Next. Later, more and more differently able soldiers and civilians wanted to participate in games. So, they learned to play games while sitting in a wheelchair or using artificial limbs. So now this became a huge success, children, and this was recognized by many other soldiers also. So differently able means who are having lacking some ability, who don't have normal things, like they are affected, injuries or limbs cut, leg cut, something like that. Okay, so they wanted to participate in games, so they learned to play games. They learn games while sitting on wheelchair or using artificial limbs. Soon they were ready for wheelchair races, and the first sports event for the differently abled took place. So children, they were learning games, they were learning while sitting on wheelchair and also using artificial limbs. So soon they learned the games and they were ready for the wheelchair race, and this was the first sport ever for differently abled that took place. Many more events were held after that. These events came to be known as the Stoke Mandeville Games. Other countries too followed their example and encouraged their injured soldiers to take up sports. So this was the first sports held. After that, many more events were held. So these events came to be known as what events? Stoke Mandeville Games. So other countries also followed them, and they set the examples for other countries. They encouraged the injured soldiers to take up the sports. 4 years later, competitors from the Netherlands joined the games, and it began to be called the International Stoke Mandeville Games. So after how many years competitors joined them? After 4 years. The competitors from where? They were from Netherlands. And after that it was called as International Stoke Mandeville Games. Initially, only sports like running on artificial legs, swimming or wheelchair races were conducted. Soon other events for differently abled athletes were organized. Then in 1960, for the first time, the Olympics and the International Stoke Mandeville Games were held together in Rome, where they came to be called the Paralympics. Eventually, the summer and the winter Paralympics began to be held separately. So, not only sports like running but also swimming or wheelchair races were conducted. So they were conducted for whom? For differently abled athletes. They were organized for the first time. In which year? In 1960. Olympics and International Stoke Mandeville Games were held together. They were held together where? In Rome. They came to be called as Paralympics after that. So there were two different Paralympics held. One was summer and other was in winter. Next. Today, the Paralympics is a unique sports event for differently abled athletes to show what the participants are capable of. While the competition started with just a few games, today differently abled athletes participate in a number of activities from archery to rugby. Participation in the Summer Paralympics has increased from 400 athletes from 23 countries in 1960 Rome to nearly 4,350 athletes from more than 160 countries in 2016 Rio de Janeiro. So children, today Paralympics is a unique sports that is held for whom? For differently abled athletes. And first it began with archery contest, then running, swimming, wheelchair races, everything was held. So while the competition started with just few games, today differently able athletes participate in number of activities from archery to rugby. So the participation in Summer Paralympics has increased from 400 athletes. It has increased from 400 to 4,350 athletes. From how many countries? 23 countries. Next. It was at Rio Paralympics that Mariampam Thangavelu won the gold medal. In the high jump finals, he received the Padma Shri and the Arjuna Award from the President of India for this achievement. This was a well-deserved reward for the talented high jumper. It seems his journey to stardom has just begun. Children, where did he win the gold medal? At the Rio Paralympics. In which category? In high jump. Which awards did he receive from the President of India? It was Padma Shri and Arjuna Award. So these are the well-deserved reward. He was a very talented high jumper. So it seems his journey to stardom has just begun. Once you get Padma Shri and Arjuna Award, you become famous, right? So he was well known all over the world, and his journey was just the beginning. Hope you all understood the lesson. Now we will do the glossary. What is the meaning of healed? Became better. Differently abled, physically handicapped. Rugby. Rugby is a game, children, a team game played with an oval ball that may be kicked, carried and passed from hand to hand. Athlete. A person who is proficient in sports is called as athlete. I will give you the glossary in notes, children. Children, in our notebook we have finished the notes of our poem The Swing. Now we are going to start theme for a dream notes. You have to always begin on the left side of the children. You have to begin on the left side. Write down date. Lesson number 4, theme for a dream, sports competition symbol. Here you have to draw the sports competition symbols. From your textbook, children, you have to draw 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures in your notebook. Here, 2 up and 2 down. You have to color them, and after that you start your word power. Write 3 times each word power. I will send you the pics also. Write down glossary. Okay.